in this video we are going to download the MongoDB Compass and MongoDB Shell and all the related stuff related to MongoDB. First go to your any favorite browser and then search about MongoDB download. Okay, you have to download the community server, like this is will be the link you must have to open. Okay, so once you click on this, then like after loading I will tell you that what to download. Okay, so you would scroll a little bit and then you would have a current version. Okay, you need to install the latest version and then you have to install what you want to, like for Mac, for any Debian, Ubuntu, Linux, etc. And then you must have to select the MSI, not the zip one, and then you have to click the download and it will start getting downloaded. Once it's get downloaded, then I would further give you the roadmap that how to set up the complete MongoDB. So guys, you can check that my MongoDB MSI file got downloaded for Windows 11. So I would just click on the open file and wait until it renders on my screen. So after it renders on my screen, just click on the next and you would same follow as I am following. I accept the terms which I don't even read, but yeah, I am reading it. Okay, I read it all. Then next, and then you don't have to choose the custom, you have to install the complete installation. Okay, so it will run service as network service user and service name will be MongoDB and it will be your data directory where you want to install your MongoDB. Then click on the next and it would also install the MongoDB Compass, which must be checked. Okay, and then click on the next and install and it will begin its installation. So I would wait for one eternity until it completes its installation. So guys, you can check that MongoDB is completed. Okay, so what's on the screen? Welcome to Compass. So I would just start from here and it will introduce some MongoDB AI assistant. Okay, so what to do after this? So guys, from here you have to click the add new connection and from here you can start your any connection. Okay, for example here I will give the name, for example demo database, and okay, and I will save and connect it. Okay, so you guys can check that it is getting connected. So I can also add a new collection in any database, for example in any okay, so I can give it like student. Okay, collection name student, create collection. So the student collection is created, so I can add the data from here. I can import the JSON or CSV file, or just I can insert the document from here and I can add any attributes from here. Okay, so from here I can just click on the insert and the data will get inserted. But you guys can, if you want to open from the MongoDB shell, so you guys can open from here, but from the terminal. For the terminal you guys have to go to the your favorite browser and and from here you have to search the MongoDB shell, MongoDB shell download. Okay, okay, MongoDB shell download. So from here you will click on the MongoDB shell download and from here you guys can download a MongoDB shell. Okay, so guys, you can simple click on the download to download the MongoDB shell, and if you have any other, for example related version Windows, so you can change from here, but you must have to download the zip file. So it is getting downloaded. Once it's downloaded I will further like give you the roadmap that how to set up this. So guys, you can check that my zip file is downloaded, but there is some specific notation where you have to place this. So I will go into the file download sections and from here I have to extract it. Okay, so from here I will choose and extract all, and after extract I have to browse, and from the after collecting the browse I will tell you that you have to go to the local disk C, then the program file, and within the program file you have to search for the MongoDB, and here along with the server you must have to place this. So I would select this folder MongoDB and then I would extract it. Okay, so I will click on the continue, so it's getting extracted with the speed. Okay, so you guys can check that here my along with the server, my Mongo shell is also downloaded. I will make it large file so that it is visible for you. Okay, so after this you have to click and then you have to find the bin folder. Okay, so within the bin you have to copy this path. Okay, control C, and then what's next, you have to add this to the environment variable. So for that you have to search here for environment variables, edit the environment variables. So environment variables, and here you have on double click on the path, and here you have to add the new path. Okay, so I added the new path. Okay, and okay, and yeah, okay. So now if I go to the terminal and I like give a command of the mongo shell and mongosh, which actually, okay, so it would like get connected with the MongoDB and give me some of the confirmation message after it's getting run. But at the first time it will be slow, but after that it will render very fast on your PC or local laptop. Okay, so guys, you can check that after this my MongoDB is connected, okay, and is ready to be used. For example, if I give the command, for example, show databases, so you guys can check that it's showing me some of the databases. Okay, and I can also create the new databases. For example, I go here, okay, and within the from here I can add the new database. For example, I would add with the subscribers name. Okay, subscribers, and I will save and connect it. So you guys can check that from with the name of the subscribers my database is like created. Okay, so I would like, if I go to the terminal and give again the show dbs command, so that will get reflected. Okay, so video is getting very long. Okay, I think I am doing some error. I will solve this error and will show you again in the next video. Okay, so thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Oh guys, it's my bad. I have to choose the create database from here. For example, I have to give the name with the subscribers. Okay, and collection name will be a subscriber. Okay, and will create the database. No, my database is getting created. So that's the main issue. So as I if I give that command of the show databases, and I already gave this, so my subscribers is getting shown. Okay, I will again give it show dbs, so my subscribers is getting reflected here. If I go and add another database, for example, within demo, I will create another database with paid users. Okay, paid users, and will give a collection which is monthly. Okay, monthly, and create database. And if I go to the terminal and click on the show dbs, so paid users is getting reflected. Okay, so thanks for watching.